Animals challenge. Let's see how sharp you are. Which neotropical bird has a wide mouth and large, yellow eyes? The answer is Potu. Did you know? The Potu is a nocturnal bird from Central and South America that blends into branches. Was that too easy? Say too easy in the comments. If you missed it, tap like.